Right, a fair bit of progress was made on the W28W Stothert and Pitt roller. Most of the tin work has now been done. It's just the bit to do on the rolls. A lot of welding's been done. That's all's left really, is the catches and the sort of the cable and the lever to operate the vibrator. All the signs are done, forward, reverse, lever, all cleaned up. Taking all the dents at the back. The pipe work is going to be measured up. That'll go there. That's for the water sprinkler system, which is fed by a tank, which is located in the top of the roller, next to the engine. Test fitted all the covers. The covers fit great. That's all needs minor filling, some dents to take out. Nameplates come up pretty good. Covers both sides are done. So all needs to be done now. As I say, a few little dents need coming out and some filling. The next job after this now is once that's been cleaned up under there, is the engine to be bench tested, fitted and set up, and then I'm going to put it up on blocks, which will be off the ground equal at both sides, and it'll be tested on vibrate and forward, reverse and slow and fast gear. So I'll probably do that next weekend. I've started doing a bit more work on the Evelyn Barford. Paint is starting to be stripped off now on the front rolls. The plan with this is going to start at the front and work backwards. Let's have a look this side. All the cover's going to be cleaned up. She's starting to be stripped now. So that'll be done over the next, so for a couple of weeks off and on. Cab welding to be done, as said in previous videos, which will be there. That bit there is going to be taken out, and hopefully this one will be ready for painting. I would guess about mid-June, by the time I've got it exactly as I want it. So that's my target, is mid-June. Got the paint for this one is going to be British Racing Green, and I think it's going to look good. I got the catches which will fit on there, from there to there, which will pull the bonnet down tight. As I said earlier, I made up new hinges. A lot of them were corroded and missing, so I made them up out the pipe and welded them on the inside. So she's taking shape. Done a fair bit. It's quite a dirty job today, getting all the yellow paint off the covers. But I think she's going to look good when she's done. And this will be the smallest roller in the fleet, which is 700 weight. So this is the largest one, 8 to 9 ton, down to 700 weight. So this is roller number 5 in the fleet, and machine number 14. So I'm quite pleased with the way it's going at the moment. So till next time.